Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. I've got Mike on the camera as usual.
Hello everyone.
Okay, in this video we're going to put the sound decoder into my class 20. Okay, we'll now go down and have a look at the locomotive and run through what we're going to do. Okay, this is the locomotive. My 20132 is a Bachmann locomotive. And before I do any changes to a locomotive with decoders or wiring or whatever, I always make sure it runs. So I've set it back to number 3 because I'll use the decoder in another locomotive or a unit. So let's run it first to make sure it runs. Okay, that's fine that way. Let's go the other way. Yeah, all seems to be okay. Okay, we'll now take it off the track and come back to you in a minute and actually change the decoder. Okay. I've already taken the screws out of the body, and it's only 2 screws. There's one there and there's one on the other end there. So that all you've got to do then is just take the body off and away we go. Okay, I think Mike zoomed in on it. Now this is the DCC decoder. When I bought this locomotive it was DCC ready. So in this section here we had a blanking tape, or blanking plug I should say. So I had to buy a DCC decoder, plug it in, and away she went on DCC. Okay, so what we're going to do now is remove this plug, and it's quite simple. You get your fingers underneath and just gently prise it up. I'm not going to put a screwdriver or anything under there because you can cause damage. So a little bit of persuasion and off it comes. Okay, so I don't know if Mike can see, that's the decoder. Okay, and that's the other side. Okay, so we put that to one side. Okay, so now for the decoder. When you buy these decoders, they come with a little speaker on them. I don't know if Mike can focus on that. Okay, I didn't want to use that, so I actually cut that off and I soldered on a double iPhone speaker, which I got from Roads and Rails, and I wanted to try it to see how much better it was. So we put that to one side. So my other decoder is here somewhere. Okay, this is the decoder. Mike can focus in on it. You got it, Mike? It's so small it takes him a while to focus on it. So I put the double iPhone speaker on there, I soldered the 2 wires together, and then the decoder just plugs in on the locomotive. Okay, so we'll plug it in. Okay, so it's a simple thing of making sure you got it all right, the pins. Okay, and there is one pin missing on this, so you can see where it has to go. So don't force it. Just gently push it down. Don't think I got it right there. In fact, I think I got it wrong. I think it goes that way. Spot the deliberate mistake. I can't get in. Oh, there. In it goes. So I did have it upside down, which you've got to be careful of because I put one of these in some time ago, tried to put it in the wrong way, and it was on the rolling road. Bang! It went bang. So it cost me a lot of money. So I'm going to put the speaker over here. And I got some black tack on the bottom, sticky black tack. So I'm going to put it on there. And what I'm going to do now is put it back on the rolling road and try it. So if we stop there, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're on the rolling road. I'm going to check it just running without the sound first to make sure everything is okay. Because you always got to do that. You blow the decoders. So you've got to be careful with these things. So we'll try it first. Oh, nothing. Oh dear. And oh, I switched that off, didn't I? Wait a minute now. Okay, let's try it then and see if it works. I'll just run it first without the sound. Yes, that's fine. So the decoder's working fine. Just try it in reverse. Okay, away she goes. Okay, let's do the test on the sound now. Press 1 for sound. Okay, running nice, sounds nice, a little bit loud, but I can adjust that. So let's give it a bit of power. Try it the other way to make sure. Well, I'm well happy with that. It sounds great to me. It's an ESU Loksound decoder. You can get them and people put all the different sounds on them, or you can get them yourself and put the sounds on them. But I'm quite happy with that. That's a really nice sound. So what we're going to try and do now is fit the body on. That could be a bit more difficult. So if we stop it there and come back in a minute. Okay, as you can see, the body won't go down, and the reason for that is, oh, my speaker's stuck in there in a minute. I don't know if Mike can see it. Can you see in there, Mike? There's a pan assembly, and that's what's stopping the speaker going up inside. So I'm going to take that out. Okay, that's the fan assembly. I've taken it out. I may have to work out how to put the fan in on its own, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll try fitting it in as it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the speaker over. Can you see it there, Mike? I'm going to put it in with the black tack. Just push it right inside. Okay, so it's inside tight. So now let's have a go and see if we can fit it back on. There, job done. It fits. Needs a little bit more pushing down, but that's okay. So let's try it now with the body on. These rolling roads are so awkward. I always swear and curse when I'm trying to put these on there, but let's have a go here. I mean, they're great for testing locomotives, but it's getting them on. Okay, I think that's on. Let's just have a go. Yeah, that's on, it's working. So let's give it another start up. Okay, I think I can call that a success. And I love the sound of the Class 20, so that will be run a lot when I get the layout going. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and make any comments you want to, or ask any questions. And we'll see you in the next video, which is going to be what I had for my birthday, which will be a surprise to everyone. So enjoy yourselves, take care, thank you very much.